I'll show you how I turn this flip-flop into these beautiful crochet slippers. So we're going to start by tying a slip knot. I will make 18 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you make up to 18. We'll meet at the end. So I have 18 chains here, and we're going to start single crochet through all the chains. So you insert, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook, pull through 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 2. So you are going to repeat to the end. So at the end, you are going to pull through 2, make chain 1 and turn. So you start the second row of the single crochet. Insert, yarn over and pull through. You will have 2 loops on the hook. You pull through 2. So you repeat the same to the end. At the end, you insert, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 loops on the hook. Pull through the 2. Make chain 1 and turn. So we have 2 rows of single crochet, and we are going to make up to 10 rows. So you make the remaining 8. We are going to meet at the 10th row. So this is my 10th row, and this is the last loop. So you insert, yarn over and pull through. We are going to change our color. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 row. So we'll change to this blue color. You carry your blue color and yarn over with it. Draw the white color tight. You can pass your tail backward. Make 1 chain. And turn. So you are going to start another row of single crochet with the blue thread. So you repeat to the end. At the end, yarn over and pull through the 2, make chain 1 and turn. Then start another row of the single crochet with the blue thread. Repeat same to the end. So at the end, this is the last loop, and we are going to be carrying along the white thread because we'll need it later. So you insert your crochet hook in the last loop, you leave it like that, then carry the white thread and pass it behind the crochet hook, just like this. Then yarn over the blue thread, pull through. You can see the white thread as we carry it behind from here. Yarn over and pull through the 2. Make chain 1 and turn. So we are going to start another row of the single crochet with the blue thread again. So you repeat to the end. At the end, yarn over and pull through the 2, make chain 1 and turn. Repeat to the end. At the end, remember we are going to be carrying this white color of thread. You pass it from behind the crochet hook, just like this. Yarn over with the blue, yarn over and pull through the 2, make chain 1 and turn. So this is how we are going to be carrying the thread all the way to the end. So we are going to do 11th row. I've done 3 already. We are going to do 8 more rows. We are going to meet at the end of the 11th row, and this is the 11th row now. So we are going to change back to the white color. So in the last loop, you insert, yarn over and pull through with the blue. You drop the blue color and pick the white, yarn over with the white and pull through. You can draw the blue down, make chain 1 and turn. So now we are going to start carrying along the blue color. You can see how we carry the white color. So we'll start carrying along the blue color. So you repeat to the end. So we started with 10 rows of white, 11 rows of blue, 11 rows of white, 11 rows of blue, 11 rows of white, 11 rows of blue, 11 rows of white, 11 rows of blue, and we end up with 10 rows of white. The beginning and the end will be 10 rows each. So I'll meet you at the end. So at the end, this is the last row. You will make chain 1, cut off your thread and hide the excess. So you can see how I was carrying this thread along to the end here. So we have 10 rows of white, 11 rows of blue, 11 rows of white again, 11 rows of blue, 11 rows of white, 11 rows of blue, 11 rows of white, 11 rows of blue, and end with 10 rows of white. So we have 10 rows in the beginning and 10 rows at the end. So in the middle we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of blue, 1, 2, 3 rows of white, of 11 rows each. So we are going to do single crochet here. Here we are going to make 1 single crochet, then skip 1. In the next we make 1 single crochet. You make 1 single crochet, you skip this one, then insert in the next loop, make 1 single crochet, skip the next loop, insert in the next, make 1 single crochet, skip this one, insert in the next loop and make 1 single crochet. So you are going to keep skipping one, and in the next you make 1 single crochet. So you repeat the same thing round to this place, to the end here. Here you make single crochet all through. Then on this row you skip one, make 1 single crochet in the other, skip one, just like the way we did on this side. You repeat it here. From this end you repeat it, you go through it this way until you reach the end here, and I'll meet you there. So I've just finished. You make chain 1 and cut off your thread, hide the excess. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. So you just fold it this way and insert it under the strap of this flip-flops. We are going to join it using slip stitch. So you are going to insert and start making slip stitch. So you repeat to this end. Here, because of this joint here, you only use one side and make the slip stitch. So after doing a 3 or 4 slip stitch, you join it back again to the other side. So repeat the same to the end. At the end, cut off your yarn and hide the excess thread. So guys, if you are getting any value from this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment. So we are going to make this flower that you can see on top. We are going to make 72 chains. So you make up to 72 chains, and here I have my 72 chains. You are going to start from the second loop, yarn over. This is one in the second loop you insert, because we're going to do half double crochet. So you pull through the 3 loops, yarn over, insert, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. So we are doing half double crochet through all the remaining chains to the end. So you repeat the same to the end here. So at the end we are going to change the color. We are going to use blue color. So you pull down the white, make 1 chain with the blue color, then make 3 more chains. So yarn over 1, yarn over 2, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. We are doing treble crochet here, so you make chain 1, yarn over 2 times, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make 1 chain, yarn over 2 times, insert, yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make 1 chain, yarn over again, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Make 1 chain. So you repeat the same thing to the end. Repeat the same to the end of the row. So at the end you will not finish up with the blue again. You bring back the white, yarn over and pull through, then you make 1 chain. So you are going to do 1, 2 and 3 chains. So you remember the chain 1 space, open it, insert your crochet hook and attach. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Open the chain 1 space, insert your crochet hook and attach. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Open the chain 1 space, insert and attach. So you are going to keep repeating the same thing to the end of the row. So at the end, make chain 1 and cut off your thread and hide the excess. So you're just going to fold it this way to have your flower. You can see it. So I'm going to attach this bead to it. Just pick 3 beads, and just as you can see, attach it this way and pull through. Guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and leave a comment for me down below. What do you think about this flip-flop modification? So guys, if you love this tutorial, kindly give me a thumbs up because it helps with the algorithm, and don't forget to leave a comment for me down below. What do you think about this flip flop? And don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.